Hello there, welcome to our channel. Login once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem MTG Arena game codes on your computer online. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to redeem your MTG or your Magic the Gathering Arena game codes on from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in my accounts wizards com like this. I forgot the Z, and hit enter. And after that, you will land on this home page of Wizards of the Coast through which the MTG game is hosted. Now enter your email address and your password over here with which you had signed off for MTG Arena game like this, and log in and save it. And after you log in into your MTG account, you can see this kind of interface will appear, whereas on the right side of the panel there is direct a place to redeem a code over here. Click over here, enter your code and click on redeem. Then the code you possess will be redeemed on your MTG Arena account on your mobile or your computer through which you play the game. And then this is how you redeem a code on MTG Arena or Magic the Gathering Arena game account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.